Okay, let's start using Matlab as a calculator, or like a calculator, to do some calculations, some simple math calculations. Let's type in addition problem, 2 plus 2. And what we see is 2 plus 2 is 4, and it's stored in a variable called answer. If we hit the up arrow key, we can get the commands that we've entered before. We can change that to 3, for example, and hit return. And you see that the variable answer changes to 5, but it doesn't change to a different name. It's just answer and it equals 5. Okay, so you can up arrow keys, you can see the previous commands and you can reuse those. Okay, and every time it stores the answer in answer, okay, unless we name it as a variable. Let's do a continuation. Let's say we had a long line of additions, and let's say it went on and on, but if I want a continuation, 3 dots give me the continuation. Whoops. Oh, I see what I did. I forgot to put this plus and then a space, 3 dots, return, okay, and let's add 7 plus 9 plus 2. Okay, and it adds those together and it stores them in answer. You can put up to 4,096 characters in a command line. Now, if you were to add a semicolon at the end of the line, it will not give you the answer in the command window. Rather, it stores that answer. You see it's updated. The answer is now, for answer, ANS is 4. Okay? If I do 2 plus 2 semicolon, and if I put a percent sign, I can add a comment card. So, for instance, addition, and MATLAB ignores that. Okay? I could have done, let's see. Okay, you can see that the value for answer is updated to 6, 2 plus 4. Now, order of operation is really important in MATLAB, okay? And there's, the order of operation is parens, exponential, multiplication and division are equal, and then addition. So let me give a couple of examples of that so you can see it. So if I have 3 times 3 plus 2, the computer will do the multiplication before the addition. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2. I should get an 11. However, if I do 3 times parent 3 plus 2, okay, now I'm going to have 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so you can force order of operation with the parents because it has the highest priority. If I have an exponential, it is at a higher priority than the multiplication. Okay, so 3 raised to the 3rd power would be 27, times 2 would be 54. Okay, however, if I wanted to force that to be 3 to the 5th, and that's going to be a pretty high number. That's, let's see, 729. So that's 3 raised to the 5th power. Okay. If I want to clear my workspace, my command window, I can say CLC. It doesn't change my workspace answer. You can see that. Okay. If I say clear all the way, that will clear the workspace. There's also a clear command up here with a drop down, clear command history, clear window, to do both of those operations. So the order of operation is parens, exponential, multiplication and division are equal, and addition. So 3 raised to the 2 power times 2 divided by 4 plus 5. See if you can do that in your head, okay, in the order of operations. So I'm going to do it here. 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18, divided by 4, I picked a bad number, but divided by 4, 18 will go 4.5, I believe, plus 5 would be 9.5. I think that's right. And 9.5. Okay, so you can see I can force the operations, certain operations. Let's just use the up arrow key. Okay, and let us divide this by that. And let's do this. So now I've got 3 to the 4th power, which would be 9, 27, let's see, 27, that's 81, divided by 9. So I think it's 9. Let's see, it is 9. Okay, and that ends this lesson.